Welcome to Taiju's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make kareee udon with the leftover curry from my previous video of how to make kareee rice. So kareee udon is a great dish to make on the next day after you make curry yourself. And this is just a great mixture of Indian culture and Japanese culture. And you may think, oh, does that match at all? This is a great harmony. You should definitely try this if you make curry yourself. Then, let's get started. Here are the ingredients for kareee udon. I have here leftover curry from the previous video. This is about half a portion, about 100 to 150 grams, or that's about 2 ladle worth of curry. Then I have udon noodle, scallion, and for the soup, I have soy sauce, sugar, and dashi package. Let's first cut up the scallions. I'm just gonna get the tip off. So there's no particular way to cut this, but somehow in Japan, people cut scallion or curry udon diagonally, so like this. So it's finished, let's start cooking. So here in a big pot, I'm gonna boil the udon noodle. I'm gonna turn the heat to high and bring the water to boil. And here in the smaller pot, we're gonna make soup for the udon. We're gonna put in about a little under a cup of water. I put in about 200 milliliter because in here comes in the curry as well. I'm gonna heat it as well. I'm gonna turn the heat to high. Let's make a soup. I'm gonna put in the dashi powder. So this is about 5 grams. I'm gonna put half package of this. If you have a package that doesn't say how much that's in there, you want to put in about a half teaspoon of dashi powder. And then to this, we're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And also 2 teaspoons of sugar. So I'm gonna have a little taste of this and see how it is. This is good. In here, I'm gonna put in the leftover curry. So in order not to waste this, you can put the soup right back in and then clean the Tupperware with the soup here so that you have the least amount of waste. Starting to smell already good. Let's have a little taste. Oh, this is perfect. This has come to a boil. I'm gonna turn the heat off. The water has come to a boil. Let's cook the udon noodle. So if you want to do the flaring technique, instead of just dropping regularly like this, you want to twist it like this and then hold it in the middle and then you put it in and then flares. The reason why you want to flare the noodle, especially if you have a flat noodle like this, udon noodle, or if you have like fettuccine, is that when it just goes in, and often is that they come together like this and stick together. And when they get stuck, they get thicker. That means that the middle between here doesn't get cooked as well. So you want to flare it, or you just mix right after that. So this is boiling again. I'm going to turn the heat to medium. And depending on the noodle you have, mine says cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. So cook as long as whatever instruction that's given in the package. Every now and then, you just want to give it a little mix. So the 10 minutes has passed. I'm gonna give it a little try. So this is al dente, this is good. I'm gonna turn the heat to high and warm up the soup. And then here, lastly, we're gonna put in the scallions. We're gonna leave just a little bit to use as a garnish at the end. Once this soup has come to a boil, I'm gonna turn the heat off. I'm also gonna turn the heat off from the udon noodle. And then let's strain the udon. Then let's assemble together. The udon first. Then we're gonna put in the curry soup. And put the scallion on the top, just as a garnish. And this is finished. Let's eat. Okay, let's eat. So as you can see, I am wearing an apron. There's no way in hell that I'm going to be able to eat this without splashing on my kimono. So I got my apron on. I also got my tatsuki so that I don't have any flapping sleeves here. And I got this apron as a graduating gift from my students who are graduating. So thank you guys for that. Then let's eat. いただきます. That looks great. Oh. I'm going to slurp, so please be noted. If you don't like the slurping sound, please skip to the end. I'm sorry about the slurping sound, but I don't think there's any clean way to eat this. Oh, this is delicious. So I don't know if you can see, I'm splashing pretty badly. So please be careful you don't wear like white shirt. So this sauce with the curry has dashi, the Japanese broth, and also the soy sauce, and it makes it suddenly very Japanese. And it's also a great harmony of Indian and Japanese together. So this is just a great dish to make on the day after of making curry, because you had the curry last day, you have the leftover, but you might not want to eat the same thing again. So, and then adding the dashi soup and the soy sauce, it just gives a very different take on the curry. So you might think the Indian spice and the Japanese dashi and the soy sauce, does it go well at all? They do. Oh, they just go hand in hand. Great harmony. So I'm really sorry if I'm making anybody uncomfortable with the slurping. Oh, that was so delicious. ごちそうさまでした. Oh, that was so delicious and so savory. As you saw, if you have a leftover curry, it's really easy to make. And if you have access to these pre-made packaged curry, you can make with that as well. I hope this video is informative for you, and I hope it gave you some new ideas for your repertoire. If you like what you saw, please hit that like button. And if you have any requests or questions, please write anything in the comments below. I'm always happy to hear your feedbacks. If you want to see more of these videos, hit that subscribe button and share with your friends. Then, I look forward to see you in the next video. Bye!